Hi, I'm Patty Blackwelder with Twin Selling Real Estate, and today I wanted to talk to folks who are homeowners. Those of you who have chosen to be homeowners, and you have a home that's older than a year old. Even if you bought one from a builder, you have a 1 year warranty with builder on the whole house and 2 years on the system. So once you get to year three, you want to start thinking about a home warranty. I have a 4 year old home, so I have a warranty called American Home Shield on my home, and I use the combo plan for $49.99 a month. And what that does is just under $600. It pretty much covers all the working systems in my home. There are many warranty companies out there that you can get. I just happen to have American Home Shield. You can just Google home warranties and find the one that's right for you. You can build your own plan. I don't recommend it for me because it's ended up coming out at $44.99 just to cover a few things, not even my appliances. And so for me, the combo plan is better. You have two choices of deductible, or three choices. You got a $75 deductible per call, $100 deductible, or $125, and it changes your monthly payment accordingly. Now, for some people, they feel like, oh, I don't really want to spend $600 right now on a warranty. So they roll the dice, and then they find out, like for me, I'm lucky I didn't roll the dice. I got a home warranty, American Home Shield, for a hot water heater. I had a hot water heater go out this summer. It cost $1,200 to repair it. It was only 4 years old. It shouldn't have died, but it did. And I was the second owner. So luckily for me, I had my home warranty. It covered everything. It was going to be a $1,200 repair, and I paid a $100 deductible, and they paid the rest, which was a blessing. So the rest of the year, I feel like I'm going to do really well on that home warranty. But for those of you who don't want to spend the $600, but you would like to have a little peace of mind, you all have Dominion Energy. Most of us do anyway for our power bill. And Dominion Energy used to be that in the envelopes they would send you your monthly bill, and inside would be inserts, and some people read them and some people didn't. But one of the items in there was protection for your home. Well, Home Serve USA, which is .com, is their arm who covers items in your home. And I highly recommend looking at this if you need an alternative. For example, heating and cooling repair, $9.95 a month with a $50 deductible is unlimited annual benefit for your heating and cooling system. And it goes down through and it tells everything that it will take care of. I can't tell you how inexpensive that is, and it gives you peace of mind that if your heat system goes out or your cooling system goes out, you're paying $9.95 on your utility bill, which you'll hardly even notice, but you'll be covered and you can make a call and get service on it. Well worth it. Hot water repair, like I was telling you about mine, I had American Home Shield. If I had not had American Home Shield and I had this program, it would have been $6.95 a month, a $25 deductible, and $1,000 annual coverage. Well, as I said, my whole hot water heater died and it was $1,200. So under this program, I'd be paying $6.95 a month. I would have had to pay $225, the difference between the maximum benefit, and I still would have come out really, really well. So definitely worth looking into. And the other one that you would want, in-home plumbing repair. How many times have you had a potty that leaked, or a wax seal that's broken, or a drain that's blocked? For $5.99 a month, there's a $1,500 annual benefit and no deductible. Again, well worth it. So for all the things I'm choosing from their program, it's going to cost me $26.39 a month, which is fairly cheap. So for me, it's only going to cost me about $316 a year to cover the things that would be most important to me. And I put it on my utility bill, and at $26, I don't even notice it in my utility bill, but I'm covered and I have peace of mind. So I hope this is helpful to you. As a realtor, these are the kind of things we can help you with, give you tips on how to maintain a home. All homes need to be maintained. They need to have your heating and air conditioning checked annually. Obviously, you need a plumber on call, electrician on call, those kind of things. With Dominion Power, you have it, and also with your warranty company. So you get to choose which one, but I'm sure many people did not know that Dominion Power offered this service. So I hope that's helpful to you in the new year, and it can keep some of your savings tucked in your bank account. And I hope that you pass this on to your friends. Have a great year. Bye bye.